How are all of you? I'm so excited to share my winter holidays adventure with you guys. Can you guess where I am? I am in Japan and I am at these fantastic natural hot spring pools. They're just amazing. Wow. So here I am relaxing in these beautiful pools. The water is warm and it's like a dream come true. I've been here for a while now, and you know what? I'm starting to feel pretty hot. What should I do? I know. I'll ask the pool workers to lower the temperature a little bit. Hey guys, can you help me out here? Oh, that's unexpected. Look at this sumo wrestler. He has a big bucket of ice and he's tossing it into the pool. Okay, it's getting colder. Yes, it's colder. Yeah, it's colder. It's colder. It's a bit too much. I better ask him to stop. Please, excuse me, Mr. Sumo Wrestler. That's enough. It's too cold now. Oh, all right. I'm feeling really chilly now. No, I can't hold it. Please, can someone warm up the water for me? Anyone? Oh, look at that beautiful girl. And she has a, what? That's a bucket of boiling water? All right, please, a little bit warmer. Oh, yeah, it's warmer. It's warmer. It's definitely warmer now. Oh, wow. It's getting a bit too hot. Excuse me, lady, can you stop? Okay. Oh wow, it's too hot now. Yeah, I can't hold this water for me. It's too hot. Miss Sumo Wrestler, can you come back for a second? I have an idea. What about just 2 blocks of ice this time? Yeah, please. Oh. Yeah, now it's a little bit colder, but still warm enough. Oh, perfect. Thank you, guys. Thanks for helping me find out the right temperature. Whew. Now I'm much better. Thank you, guys, and goodbye.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, let's keep learning. Again with adjectives comparatives, but this time we're just going to pay attention again into 2 new adjectives, cold and warm. Okay, cold. Cold is something that doesn't have much heat. Yep, when you touch it, it can make your skin feel a bit shivery or chilly, like yeah, like ice cream, or when you take ice cream out of the freezer. And warm, something warm, is when something has a little more heat, but it's not super hot, okay? It's just a little bit warm, yep, just a little bit, but you can eat it or you can touch it. Like when you're snuggled in a blanket or when the sun is shining on a cool day. Let's see the examples. The soup is still very cold. It's cold, right? It doesn't have this smoke going out. I need to heat it. Or in here, we can see the soup is enough warm. Not too hot, but I can eat it. It's not cold. So let's do this activity together and put these adjectives into the right sentences. I always wear a cold or warm coat in winter. Winter, it's always cold, so that means we need a warm coat. Warm, we need a warm coat in winter. The cold water in the pool feels refreshing on a hot day, or the warm water in the pool feels refreshing? It feels refreshing on a hot day. If it's a hot day and you want to refresh yourself, you use cold water. So cold water. A cold cup of hot chocolate is the perfect treat after playing in the snow, or a warm cup of hot chocolate it's the perfect treat after playing in the snow. It's a warm cup, okay? A warm, a little bit hot. Then the cold air makes your breath visible like little puffs of smoke, or the warm air. It's the cold. When it's a little bit cold, you just breathe and the smoke goes out. So it's cold. He enjoys a cold cup of tea before bed, or a warm. Yes, again, here we have the example. If it's cup of hot chocolate or cup of tea, here we don't have hot, so it could be cold. Yes, both would make sense. But let's just try to guess. And normally, teas and coffees are always warm. I love drinking a cold glass of lemonade on a summer day. It has to be cold for sure, not even warm. I don't give it as an option because it's summer. It's hot. Sorry, sun. It's hot, so that means I love drinking a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. This is it, guys. Remember, okay? Adjectives: cold and warm. Cold, when something is shivering, and warm, it's hot but not very hot, just a little bit. Yes? Goodbye.